What's up, man? Headed out, man. Glad y'all already in here. Glad I ain't gotta look for you today. Get this thing started up. We got places to be, people to see. God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Alright, man, check it back in. I've been trying to wait on my cousin, man. He taking too long, so I just sent him the address. And he just texted me just now, so I'm responding back to him. But he took too long, so I'm finna head out. Hold on, let me text him back. I texted him the wrong thing. Alright, man, so I'm headed out to another car show, man. From what I've seen already on Facebook, there's some pretty good rides there. Pretty cool rides. So y'all hang on, and if we get lucky, y'all might see me jump on a Fox body today. So y'all might want to hang on in there, cause I've been wanting to smack him up with that Fox body. So hey, it just might happen in this video, man. So y'all stay tuned. We finna head to the car show. But if I run into him, it's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna have to smack him up. We both breaking in new cams. I mean, we both breaking in new clutches also. So I'm gonna have to smack him up if I catch him. I'm gonna have to take that sacrifice and go ahead and smack him up real quick. But anyway, man, we headed to the car show. Y'all hang on till we get there. Hey man, listen, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. So my cousin with that Fox body, he was supposed to be right. He supposed to be with me, man. I've been driving slow, trying to do everything I can to wait on this man. He don't want to catch up to me. He don't want to catch up to me. I don't know if he's scared of me. He probably scared because I'm in his challenges. He probably scared. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. He probably scared. This man daddy, he was at his daddy's house, man. This man daddy lived 10 minutes or less away from me. And he said, yeah, man, I'm at home. I'm finna change my clothes. I'll be on the way. Tell me why about 30 minutes went by. It don't take that long for you to change your clothes, man. Come on, man. If you scared, say you scared. If you scared of the car, say, Carl, that car got too much power for me. You trying to bully me. Just tell me. Just tell me. Just tell me, man. We ain't got to go through all that. Another important detail that I left out about this car show that we headed to, man, is that this car show, they raise money for like different causes. So this is more of like a give back. So you enter your car for like 20 bucks and you basically helping them raise money to do some great things, man. So this is my first time being able to support this car show that they do. But this is literally like what I want to start trying to do. I want to start trying to do car shows and then give some of that money back, man, and try to do some things and you know what I'm saying, just do some bigger things out here, man. So this is something I'm gonna support. I'm not entering my car because I didn't even have time to wash it. But probably next go round, I'm gonna probably get my cousin too, and we'll probably both enter our cars. Just because of the whole thing. But and you know, I would rather just today, just cause my car's so dirty, I'd rather just like donate the money and, you know, just not enter my car, you know. So anyway, man, I'm a little hungry. I seen one of my favorite restaurants is already out here. One of my favorite food trucks is already out here. So that's gonna be one of the first things I do when I get out there. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. That's number one that I'm gonna do when I get out here. I'm grabbing some food and I'm gonna let y'all know where. I'm gonna let y'all know one of my favorite spots. I'm gonna plug y'all in. So y'all get lucky in this video. Y'all get lucky. All I can say is, man, we are literally a few minutes away from where we got to be at, man. I'm gonna slide out, and like I told y'all, I'm grabbing some food first, and then we'll get to them calls. All right, man, we just got out here, man. Y'all see, he finally caught up. He finally caught up.
This man running.
I did not run from him, man. I called him, man, and I said, hey, I'm going to the car show. I called him. He said, where you at? Like I said in the car. He said, where you at? And I said, I am waiting on you. This man said, all right, I'm just finna change my clothes and I'll be on the way. 30 whole minutes went by, and he still hadn't made it. I texted him. I said, hey, Cole. I said, hey, Cole. I said, I'm gonna just head on out. He said, okay, I'm finna head out now then, but you can go ahead. I'm like, bro, we supposed to be together. Anyway, man, we done made it to the car show. I'm finna put the drone in the air for y'all, man. I'm finna get y'all some sky footage, and I'm gonna also get y'all some footage on the camera, man. So y'all stay tuned. LS to the front. We ain't gonna speak on it too much though. That Camaro did. All right, man. I'm gonna start y'all from the very top, and I'm gonna show y'all every car in here. So we finna get started. Y'all just hang tight. All right, man. So we got a super nice. See that nitrous plate up under there. Very clean. My old pictures in there. Plymouth Duster. Real clean, got the slicks on it. Nitrous in the trunk. Real clean. Whoa, man, y'all already know. I want every generation of the Vet. Every generation. Man, this thing clean.
I know.
How you doing? Guys. Man, this thing clean. Here go both of those. Got this drop top. Interior looks ridiculous. Got a Viper over here by itself. V12. Is it a V10 or V12? What is this? V10, my bad, V10. V10 Viper. Thing looks ridiculously good. Very clean. We're gonna head back to this side. Here go another one that's on my list, Monte Carlo. Got the OG interior. Super clean in there. Got this clean C10 step side. Real clean. Interior looks good. Got the wood bed. Alright, y'all. I done got sidetracked, saw these cars. I'm supposed to be finding food. Let me go figure out where the food at. And we'll get back to the cars in a minute. Man, we over here. Turn around and show y'all the menu real quick. I'm gonna order and then I'm gonna show y'all the food. This thing is clean, man. While I'm waiting on my food, this came in. Super clean, man. Super clean. Still waiting on my food. Got this Charger leaving out right here, $3.92. Try to zoom into this Dodge over there on the other side. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I'm gonna try to give y'all a nice. I ain't got my zoom lens on, but this is the best I can do for y'all. But I hope y'all can see that. Real clean truck. But we waiting on this to come out. Super clean with the cam in it. Got this old Corvette. I like the OBS's, man. I like them. Even though this is I like the single cabs better, but this one is clean. OBS clean, man. Sheesh. Man, I like this. Man, this thing here clean.
Yeah, that's.
All right, man. This is what I got. I think he said it's a waterito. I ain't Mexican, but that watermelon drink is good. Here is the steak quesadilla. Steak quesadilla. Look at that. I'm finna get my cousin's reaction to it, though. Man, let me get y'all this Ricky's Tacos. First, this finna be the best Mexican taco you done had. Look at Cub Food. Yes, sir. Ricky's Taco, man.
I gotta squeeze my lemon.
You gotta put that little lime. That's a lime. Ain't no lemon. Put your lime on there. We finna get his reaction, y'all. Cause I already know he feeling it. So much meat in it falling out. Come on now. You a fan, ain't you? Mm-hmm. I already know. Steak quesadilla. This is what I always get. This is what me and Jamie. I'm gonna have to save her half of it because I know she gonna be mad if I don't. I'm gonna save half of it for my wife, y'all. Oh yeah, 14 bucks. You pay $14 at McDonald's, man, and you get two of these. Man, I don't know what kind of cheese he be using, yeah. But man, that's some I don't know. Hey, but I need some napkins, boy.
Need some ounces?
Napkins.
Oh yeah, I do too. I ain't got none in my car.
I ain't drove that Challenger so long. I know it ain't none of them. But hey, man, y'all make sure y'all go to Ricky's Tacos, man. Man, this color crazy. Man, this color though. This color, man. Whew. This color is ridiculous. Super clean. Grab a few more over here. Grab these two Corvettes. Man, oh man. Thing smell like a new car. Very clean. Clean vet. Get y'all this while it's coming by. Very clean. Yes, sir. Dream car right there. I need one of them. This is super clean. Full power. Red interior. Got a yellow C10 over here. Long bed. I'm liking it though. Yellow in the bed. Gauges, steering wheel. Very clean, man. Very clean. Got a dump coming through. wrapped on. Harley. Got the Camaro over here. Camaro SS. Got the Bel Air. Very nice engine deal. All the chrome. Interior looks immaculate on this thing. Red with the gray. Really BMW. Like it's been wrapped. I don't know if that's wrap or paint. But got a little Mazda. Coming back to this old Monte Carlo right here. White interior. Y'all might not know this, but I want a Bug. You can get me a Bug one day. I like this one though. This is very close to what I would want. Got the top on that one. Very clean little Bug, man. I like this whole setup right here. Z28. Y'all know this one. Y'all know this is my dream car. 302. That orange and black just gonna do it. That orange and black gonna do it on these, man. Alright, so we got another Camaro. Small block. I'm thinking this is turbo. Yep, there go the turbo. This is twin turbo. Twin turbo LS. Oh man, that's cool. Y'all see that shifter? Shifter is cooler now. Back to the Camaro. Got the racing seats in it. Super clean. Hellcat. Man, still smell brand new in there, man. Got a Bronco. Man, that Bronco. Got the old Ford. I don't know if this is the same one or not. This might be a different one. I don't know. Can't tell if it's the same one or different. Here's a closer look of the car that came in. Top up on this thing. Blue and white interior. Blue and white. Big white walls. Got the supercharged. Supercharged up under that thing. Truck, the LS. This is the LS. Oh, that's an LT. My bad, LT. That color is crazy. You saw the interior on these things, man. I keep forgetting. Wood bed. Right here beside it. You got a Pontiac. Never seen that setup before with all them carburetors on there. I guess that was a bunch of 2 barrels. Never seen that before though, but I like it. Drop top. Very clean. Check this out. That's clean. Keeping it moving. OBS. 383 stroker. Pro charger. Got the wide tires on the back. Paint is ridiculous. Interior looks good. Right back over here, man. I used to want one of these, man. I used to want one. Wouldn't mind having one in my collection. Still, when I can afford one. Blue and black interior. I didn't know this thing had a truck bed on it though. This is new to me. Pretty cool. Make sure y'all see Ricky's Tacos. Go shop. Go shop with him, man. 10 out of 10. Hopefully that music ain't gonna get me no copyright, so I'm gonna have to make this one quick, man. Real clean. Alright, man, we're gonna be checking in for some more car shows. But until then, go check out another car show right here.
You can pick and choose. I hope you remember me. I know you remember me.